Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to share your live location with a friend on Snapchat in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. First we need to go to Snapchat. After that we need to go to chat. Click here. And after that, you need to click on this plus. And here you can click send current location and share live location. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.